Hello everyone, this video is about Microsoft Translator. In this video we are going to review this Android application. This application is powered by Microsoft Corporation and it has over 4.6 ratings with over 600,000 plus reviews, and it has over 50 million plus downloads. If we see the interface and screenshots of this application, this is how it's look. Now let's study some about this application. Translate text, voice, images and conversations into 70 plus languages. Microsoft Translator is a free first personal translation app for more than 70 languages to translate text, voice, conversations, camera, photos and screenshots. You can also download languages for offline translations for free to use when you travel. Text translation into 70 plus languages. For online and offline use, camera translation to translate text within photos and screenshots, voice translation to translate speech, a split screen mode for two participants having a bilingual conversations, multi-person conversation translation, connect your devices and have in-person conversation with up to 100 people across multiple languages. Phrase book for verified translations and pronunciation guides to help you learn important phrases in foreign languages. When you travel, look up for alternate translations meaning of the word to find the best translation to express yourself. Download languages for offline use when you travel without an internet connection. Hear your translation phrase out loud to help you learn how to say the translation. View translations pronunciation guides to help you pronounce the translation, including pinyin support for Chinese. Pin and save your most frequent translations for later. Translate text in other apps through text menu translation. Now let's study the reviews of users of this application. Paul Nagy says, I have been using this app for ages and it's one of the most diverse, accurate translator ever. I speak fairly fluent German, so I tested it out and it was pretty spot on. The range of translate language is impressive, and having features like voice translation helps remove the language barrier and open communication up for me and my neighbors when needed. Ditch Google Translate and give in a thin spot. Daniel Paul says, I must say this is one of the most useful language translators I have found when I heavily needed the most, with the wide varieties of languages to choose from, which makes me easy to travel anywhere around the globe with no language barrier. Hope to see you more useful features, user friendly and all the fingertips kind of interface. Thank you for developing it. Keep it up. Good work. God bless. Sean Smith says, does as it says work well, especially for on the fly translation of conversations. Update September 2022. I need Portuguese but don't want Brazil Portuguese, which is slightly different. You need to provide the original of language as well as the derivatives and detects. Cody TV says, app is awesome. I will be using it to learn some languages and improve languages that I am busy on. I still don't know what the features do. I would be great if you could save the translation per paragraphs. The text disappears when something new is said. Another user says, works really good, useful features, good design, helpful tools in some situations that happen to each of us. Only thing that download of language pack is little slow and not sure if it's the server side problem or not. Thanks for the creator. John Ruiz says, this app is WhatsApp. It can read the translations aloud with emphasis on the pronunciation marks and flows. When reading translated poetry, I have tried a lot of translation apps on this one is by far best on Google Play.